how to save view once photo on WhatsApp and if this is actually possible. Technically, there are workarounds like using a different phone, taking a picture with that camera while the picture is still open and before you exit the actual image. So it could be possible, but it does still go against WhatsApp privacy design, and doing so without the sender's content is unethical and can violate laws or trust. So the short answer is WhatsApp View once photos and videos cannot be saved normally, and that is intentional. So no, you can't save view once photo in WhatsApp since it is a view once photo. They disappear after one view, there's no download forward or save option, and WhatsApp also blocks screenshots, screen recordings on most devices. So it's end-to-end encryption plus privacy rules that protects the sender. So the only legit way to save the view once photo is to ask the sender to resend it as a normal photo or give permission to save it. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.